Music goes here. This is the Blues Brothers, but I had to come in here to see the comments, the chat. So those who aren't aware, that was one of the two Real Geeks, and a few weeks ago, or maybe over a month ago, they did a nighttime live stream on their channel that he invited me to join for my studio, but we've only done that once. So I was asking him if he was planning to do that again, because I would like to join that again, talk about things. It's not as G-rated as my stream tries to be, but I don't think so, but you know, I can't say no. Jack the Clown is as a mannequin, I guess, in core makeup. But as far as a live character, I really don't know. I'm gonna unplug this again. Sorry, there's no easy way of doing that. Because it's, I'm sure, I hope, it should be fully charged enough. It might have blasted okay, but I just...
We're going to be back again. Well, let's put it on 115, gentlemen. Anytime. With the loop.
I'm getting exhausted. Oh no! These characters are all in here! What kind of character is that? Is that a Velociraptor?
Huh?
I believe so. Is that Blues Brother? Oh no, you killed the stream. Unfortunately, we only have one of... We only have one of the two Real Geeks.
Okay, so
We demand to see both Real Geeks. We only see one.
Oh, wait, you ready? Working today.
Aw. No, not a good
If
excuse.
she was here, I wouldn't be able to do the stupid stuff that I do.
So that's why I'm single.
Hey. No, I can't say that. She will let me do the stupid things too.
Yeah. Yes. I believe Brendan is still there because before this opened for team members today, you can still see Brendan Fraser in the Q video. So did you see the tent back there with the big pumpkin?
I know nothing of you. Oh, yeah, that one. Yeah, the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the question is that the Great Pumpkin or is that Big Boo?
That's the pumpkin lord.
Oh. That's it.
That's the pumpkin lord. That's what I'm saying.
Good answer. Good answer.
I personally think that the pumpkin lord is going to have something to do with over here.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Well, we all know that there's some
Got it.
fantastic
Awesome
props.
job.
Fantastic props coming soon, but we can't talk about it.
You know, just like the viewers down here, like
Well, like I said, all I can tell you is that through the let me just